Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and here we're going to take a look at the major European and US equity indices here in the video, and in particular focus in the report here on the S&P 500 E-mini future, the benchmark for the US in here. So markets in here are very strong on the rebound, having had this significant sell-off in here. We had a significant sell-off back within this kind of rising wedge pattern, having broken out of the rising wedge, moving back into that rising wedge pattern in here over the past 24 to 36 hours. Concerns about the growing potential epidemic from the China coronavirus saw riskier assets selling off across the board, and real concerns in here. If we actually look at the EURUSD and the DAX, well, the EURUSD in here really selling off in here down through multi-week supports in here, down through 37.33 in here, and certainly looking far more negative. Similar story for the DAX in here, significant sell-off in here for the DAX yesterday, but then the market's rebounding in here. You see the EURUSD previously there rebounding, the DAX rebounding, and if we go back in here to the S&P 500, we'll see that really strong intraday rebound, partially due for the fact that the World Health Organization labeled the outbreak an emergency for China, but not for the rest of the world. And then also just this underlying demand we've had for stocks. Look, this is from the beginning of the year, a surge higher from 31.81 earlier this year, and a surge higher from December, and also right the way up in here, if we look back, right the way up from Q4 of last year. So this appetite for riskier assets very much intact, this kind of wall of money that's coming into equities, aiming markets back higher. 32 and 37.5 is the cycle high. Those are the initial two upside targets. The overnight high at 32 in here, 37 and a half, and then above there we could be even hitting up towards 33.50 today. Only back down through like really 33.22.21 starts to concern the market here for the S&P 500 for today. So the outlook for today and the intermediate term outlook going into the balance of January, the end of January and beyond, still very, very bullish for global stocks. And in here looking at the US benchmark, the S&P 500, the future on that, the E-mini future. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day. Please join us again on our next report in here, and don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel.